we are flood out. Helping the people.
So hey guys, I know it's been a while since I've posted, but I'm here. So in today's video, you know what I got to say, my house flood out, right? And for the new subscribers, my house flood out when I was 8 months pregnant. Yeah. And it flooded out again. No. So it flooded out early July. And now is December. And the house flooded out again. Mind you people, before y'all come in my comments and say anything for me to delete you, we're out slow. Let me put that out there. My grandfather make my house slow. Big up my grandfather always, yeah. But there is a, what you don't call it, trench gutter behind our house. Behind it and like down at the bottom part. We're not gonna really understand, so I try to explain that to you. And they're not clean. When we did do a shout, we did hear say it about clean and stuff like that, no work never happened. Now, I don't talk from no political point of view. I talk from me. I feel start all over back, everything I wet up, the house, every amount of something I have wet up right now. I know my sneakers then can't dry, like some of them definitely have to dash it. Because I don't know but the water you were coming in, it stink like at the first my experience one flood and the water stinks, so like I can't understand. Some pit bus and this water run through the place, but yeah. So they're not clean. So you see as the rain black up, as the rain drew, you know say it go cause flooding. And I don't know if you see one picture like a circulate on the media with the wall of the bridge broke way. You see that same bridge, that same water run through my yard back. So I can't escape it. But we normally have hurricane before. We normally have flooding before. I move out of house here when I'm in a 10th grade. And how much time we flood out? 3. Hurricane and rain normally fall before. But because they normally clean, we don't normally flood out. So people, because the drains are not cleaned, my house flood out again. I have one suitcase like with baby buckle and whole heap or something. Everything wet up. It's like me have to start all over again. And one of the worst feeling, like imagine me just when the place a flood me in my room I feed the baby, you know. And Tickle tell me say, oh pumpkin the water come in. Yeah, me know because what? Me know that will come in here. It's like people, mind you, me I watch this rain fall, me sit down. Why does it look so lean? And I can't fix it. Like me sit down and watch the rain fall and I know say, yeah man, this a rain here, we are gonna flood out. Like, yeah, me know what I go on. So people, I hope the member of parliament fix this drain for me. Because I'm frustrated and I'm tired. For people else who flood out already, you must understand how me really feel like. the aftermath when you fi look on everything will wet up, look on furniture will mash up and broke up, the water come in so hard and broke up the tile them. So when you feel look at the amount of things we have to replace, we don't want nothing but the drain for fix. We don't want nothing but road for fix. We don't want nothing but for make something for channel the water them so it not come in our house. Me tired. Imagine my house flooded when me 8 months pregnant and now when my baby are 4 months. Me tired. Me tired for you replace things. Everything will mash up in here and money then cost. I replace, you have to replace them. So, to whoever in charge of St. Thomas, please fix the trench. That's it, that's all. So, yeah, and in this video, y'all saw my Christmas tree. It's really cute. What else in this video? Oh, y'all saw Tyler at 4 months. It's so cute. Cutie. Love that guy.
Give me my money.
Deandra, I got kill me for tones with other people.
Yes.
Me I tell the whole world. You hear me I tell what my house was up? I mean I have nothing. No, Deandra come kill me for $1,000. As I was saying, yeah, we're back to normal now. Cause whatever we lose with the wet up and whatever, them they can replace, alright? So I'm gonna put in the clippings of the flood, so I hope you guys do enjoy it. Well, there's not really much to enjoy because I'm still vexed, not with God, but because the trench is not clean. Alright, so yeah, leave some comments and some likes and share my video. Yeah, see y'all later. I soon come out back in the next video. Soon. And follow Deandra on Instagram. Oh, I forgot to tell you this. You know I said TVJ come around here today. And me gone in the people in camera gonna say, hi guys.
You're not right, you're not.
Oh, what can go so? You know me really shame. Oh, me say hi guys. But anyway, me talk about my house flood out. Yeah, that
Watch news.
Watch news.
I said, stay up here with you, watch out, we are flood out. Help people.
People again, my house flood out. Again, my house flood out. And if you don't understand, when you see the drum and see where water reach the drum, do the maths. Do the maths. No trench, no fix, people. No trench, no fix. I swear I'm going right to TVJ. You can't see the trench. Trench is not clean.
There's a flood right out. You have to move the car them. Alone water. Guys, look on the tank. See, that's something I can't touch the top of it. With the tank the pan, can't touch the top of it with me on a regular day and the water cover it. Good day.
Hello. Hello. Tyler. Hey, Papa. Hey. Guys, today Tyler is 4 months. Please comment. Happy 4 months, baby Tyler. Yes, my baby is getting so big. Hey, Papa. Hey, Papa. Tyler, look at mommy. Hey. Hey. Guys, the boy I watch the TV and now look for me. Hey, yes. Hello. Hello. So chunky, guys.